kahle mna ndakhupha 4,000 yam ndawuthenga umfana kahle athenga umfana wa TikTok. I remember senza first round, I do remember, but amanye ama-rounds angikhumbuli because mangivuka ekuseni 2 packets of condoms bewavuliwe ngihlabe nge-video call. Njengoba nimhlabe nge-video call angayibambi phone ngene text ethi please don't call me, my wife is around.
Uyabheja?
Ngiyabheja, indoda ngiyabheja mina.
Uyayithengela impahla, ama-sneaker.
Ngiyabheja mina indoda.
Uyithengela
Because
utshwala.
I don't mind ukudate nawe ungasebenzi. You understand? Uzosebenza ngendlela. I don't mind utshela nawe ungasebenzi.
Sis Avela,
Hayi futhi.
unjani?
Ngiyafela inkosi kunjani?
Uyathetha?
Tetete.
Siyabonga. You've got an amazing story. I know you've got TikTok with multiple stories, but the story that you're going to share with us is like at the top of the list. It's like your number one story. Please share with us your story.
So, isitori engizokushayela sona, I think last year, it was November. Angihlele endlini, ngihlala ngi-1 sesingafika eJoburg, ngihlala ngi-1. So ndihlele endlini, ngiziphuzela utshwala. Thanda utshwala phela ngisho that's how I fight depression. No, I was drinking Gordon's.
Okay.
Yeah. So ngiziphuzela, mangiziphuzela ngithi okay fine. Mangibe live ku TikTok because ngisho ngisithanda TikTok ngibe live. Ngiyaphuza ngi-live TikTok. You understand? So some guys ba request on my live ngithethe nabo. So kube khona leyo one. Abo a request naye athi hayibo uyaphuza kuphi? Ngithi ngiyaphuza iGodisi. Ngimtshela ukuthi nguphi. Yabona? Sengithips kamnandi nami yabona, understand? Ngimtshela ukuthi nguphi. Athi okay fine, I'm coming.
Hey man, you are coming.
Give me a location, I'm coming. Like I thought wayidlala. I thought wayidlala. Ngithi okay fine. Zokusendela WhatsApp location yami. Show me. You understand? I wasn't thinking like
you're drunk.
I wasn't thinking. Yeah, I'm drunk. And imnikeze number yami. Ku live, like live nimnikeze number yami. Athi nginikeze number yami nduku WhatsApp. Dimnikeze number yami like ku live, ngibize number yami. But I didn't mind because that was my business number. Ngimnikeze number. Manje live athi send location ku WhatsApp. Ngibona i-message pop up la phezulu, send location. It's me. Ashuka malike. You understand? They told him, I was serious. I said, I'm serious, I'm coming. Okay, it's fine. I sent my location. A stranger that I met on TikTok, like in few seconds, you understand? I send the location yam. You understand? So, I send the location. I phone. I tell her, serious, I'm coming. I tell him, yes. And in bed, if I have a maps, you should turn right, turn left. It's okay, fine, we have a fine. Eventually, I figure ku put. You understand? A stranger from TikTok. I risk na okay, fine. I fika. Like kubo fika. Amis moto ngaphandle. Diphume egate ndingene emotweni kuye. Muzwa right and sharp. Athi nguwe lo nto, yeah, it's me. Fanathi uyaphuza, athi ngiyaphuza, athi buziphuza ngiphuza iGordons. Zithi enhle kubehle ngifuna isavana kusho mina. Hayi benhle ngifuna ukuphuza isavana. Cela usosongikhaphe into ezithengele isavana. I understand ngiyamoto. Athi hawu phuma nale godi zibuyiphuza phela. You understand? Then I went back to the house and nathatha iGordons lebe ngiyiphuza angena emotweni, sahamba emotweni because it's la ngihlala khona it's not fun labathengisa khona utywala. So uma ngifika lapha ngathenga i6 esavana. Athenga i6 esavana. Angithenga i6 esavana athi actually masihambe siyobona ifriends zami. Understand? Recharge sizobuya. Khona indawo eseMidrand. Bengisahlala eMidrand lasasikhathi. Indawo ese-recharge. Sihambe siyobona ifriends zami recharge. Sizobuya. phofu ndibona sesifika uba siserecharge akatsho kum ukuthi siye recharge ucela siyobona utshomi zakhe sizobuya manje sine-6 esavana le Gordons le so ndivula isavana eyi-1 ndithi okay it's fine masihambe ndigqoke ishoti like imizo bendisendlini ndigqoke indlela ndigqoke ishoti nebooth nepush hayi siyahamba mase ndibona ukuthi siserecharge athi hayibo unxiba ishoti and apha ishoti ayingeni and unxibe nepush ishoti nepush azingeni apha to awungixelelanga khona uba size recharge uthe masami sibona ichomi sakho so ngosizoyenza kanjani athi let's go back uyokunxiba siphinde sibuye you understand sisela le-6 bendiyithengile ndivule 1 naye avule 1 qombayibo into ngokuzosela utywala bam qha azange ndiyithethe ke leyo hayi sibuyele back endlini masibuyela back endlini ndiphume emotweni aphume naye singena ngaphakathi endlini ndifike ndikhulule ndinxibe ijini manxibe ijini ndithi ngicela uni-ayinele shirt nazonxiba ishini ngicela uni-ayinele shirt kutsho mina kuyi ngicela uni-ayinele shirt stranger from TikTok ngicela uni-ayinele shirt le ayinele shirt then siyaphuma sibuyele recharge yabo xa sifike recharge utywala bungeni ngaphakathi now I have to uba ndishiye le Gordons nesavana apha emotweni ndingene ngaphakathi kuzofuneka ndifike ndithenge ubunye utywala bangaphakathi you understand
uthenga wena
kuzothenga yena kaloku ngisho indoda
okay
indoda uzothenga yena ngaphakathi indoda kuzothenga yena ngaphakathi sifike singene ke e-recharge sifike sithola ichomi zakho ziyaphuza iqonda bible lobhuti akathenga utywala and ke mna senditips sendifuna ukubona maso utywala bufuna obunye utywala sendifuna usela ke ngoku mna sendifuna ukusela futhi akathenga utywala ngikhupha ikhadi lami ndithi okay cela uyothenga 6 esavana tsho mna cela uyothenga 6 esavana because uyambona uba akathengi cela uyothenga 6 esavana I understand ndimnikeza ikhadi lami nepin
utakiwe
ndimnikeza ikhadi lami nepin uba makahambe uyothenga 6 ahambe ayothenga savana sihlale phansi xa izophela andicele uba ucela ndithenge ubunye utywala uzondibhatala ekuseni understand kaloku seyingumntu wami kaloku noba nje sidibene nje but seyingumntu wami ngokwendlela okwenza ngayo nje sekungumntu wami so okay it's fine umntu wami mos why not nale khadi ambothenga I understand hayi ndimnikeza ikhadi nephini funa phini hambe uswipe utywala 12 savana phina swipe enye 12 esavana siphuze around 12 sibuyele endlini xa sifike egeyithini abozi wamkelekile nawo bangalala kwami understand
nihamba noyi-2
sihamba siyi-2 sihambe ngemoto yakhe ngisho wamkelele nawo bangalala kwami I don't know it's fine you can ndichameke I think nandichamekile because ubhuti ucute ubhuti ugayi umuhle yabona uclean yabona so ndithi why not it's fine you can ngizohamba ekuseni understand singene endlini andikhulule like yonke lento yenzeka andiyiboni noburongo ndandingabuboni uburongo bayo yebo ndandingaboni uburongo bayo i-stranger ngalo i-stranger asolala kwami umuntu ehlanga ngeTikTok ngimnikeza amakhadi amaphini like yayingaklikhi lanto yayiklikhe later understand so sifike endlini ndikhulule ngene ebhedini njonge kwelinye side akhulule naye angene so xa ingena benibamba yabo so I responded back I was do you have condoms you understand strange it yes I do you understand we are very mawubatyiwe you can do anything Marceline so ngithi yes I do have condoms ndihambe ndiphakame mna ndiyozikhupha edrowini condoms zakhona xa ndizikhupha I remember senza first round I do remember but amanye ama-rounds angikhumbuli because mangivuka ekuseni 2 packets of condoms bewavuliwe 2 packets of condoms bewavuliwe esebenzile and ngibona phansi because I'm telling you 2 packets of condoms were opened 2 packets ama-trust. That means senze 6 rounds in a space of how many hours? 4 hours? I think so. Sifike nini endlini? Sifike ngabo 3 endlini.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know if it's 3 hours or but loma condom lawa ayisebenzile. I do remember first round but amanye ama-rounds I don't remember.
You were drunk.
Kodwa kwenzakala ini.
You were drunk.
Because kwabonakala ukuthi sasebenza 6 condoms.
So you
And
went,
because why walahlela ama condom akhona because like ayigcwele everywhere ama condom everywhere. You understand? Akusho nobuwafake kwi tissue or something. Like it's like we were fighting, I don't know. You understand?
So uyaqhama uyalahlela, uyaqhama.
You understand? Uchama yalahlela so
Lahlela phansi.
kumele phansi. So kumele ngavuka ekuseni ngazichola. Understand? It's fine, wavuka wahamba endlini. Angabuza ukuthi imali yami iphi. Dine number yakhe angisho sizokhuluma. Nginayo TikTok wakhe sizokhuluma, WhatsApp siyakhuluma so uzongisendela imali yami. Wahamba waya kwakhe. Ngasala during the day uyangifonela uthi ucela siphume futhi. Ukujabulela sihlala nami. He enjoyed it. Ucela siphume futhi. Siphinda recharge. Ayilibalanga imali yami. Okay, it's fine. You can go, it's fine. Wayesemsebenzini, mayibuye ndandu offer ngalelo langa lelo. Nandi off. So afike later. Siphinde recharge futhi kubangani bakhe. Xa sifike recharge kubangani bakhe, lo muntu akathenga utywala. Again. Akathenga utywala again. Angihlebele athi baby ngisabela ukukutshela izolo ukuthi anginamali mina ngikhola i15 bengicela uthenga obunye utywala ngizokubhatala nge15 mangihola. You understand? I never said no. Ngamnika icard nepin ukuthi okay fine. Ngicela uthenge 12 because iyadinga into besimane siyothenga. Recharge is expensive. Recharge is expensive. So ndimnikeza ikhadi aswipe abuye sihlale phansi sisiselele kuthe makusheke 2 athi can you please buy i-Gordons at least because eSavannah i-waste imali. Can you please buy i-Gordons at least? You understand? Azange ngibuze nokuthi ikuphile bese uyiphuza kanti i-Gordons ezolo because asiyiphuzanga. Ngithi sele emotweni nala 4 bengiyithenga emasizizolo sisemotweni.
Yeah.
But bezingekho zange ngibuze nokuthi iphila 4 kanti nala Gordons besize nazo izolo azange nimbuze ndamnikeza ikhadi wathenga i-Gordons enye i-Gordons. You understand? Sasela sadakwa sabuyela endlini again same thing happened but ke second day sisebenzise iphakethe one ema condom.
But were you aware?
That means bendi aware at this time. But yesterday I was not.
So, okay, 2 packets, that's 6 rounds.
That's 9 rounds, man.
9 rounds
Yes.
in a period of 2 days.
My own condoms, my own house, my own man. You understand? Okay, fine. And ngacabanga next ukuthi lo muntu lo maybe uyangiuza or le nto le into ayishwayele ukuyenza vele emantombazaneni bengayazi. I didn't know. You understand? So sibuyele endlini senza lonto leyo sivula condom packet condom eyi1 abuyele endlini kwakhe. Understand? Uzonikeza imali yami ke15 mos. Like kula weekend leya I spent 3,000 utywala.
So it was a
3K.
Yeah.
2 days, Friday and Saturday. 3K.
So Sunday you didn't go out?
No, I did not. because kwakuzosa ngemsebenzini ngeMonday. Azange siphume, saphuma 2 days, sasebenza 3K mangicounter because i-recharge expensive. Mangicounter lento ezesiyithengile bese yami siyenza 3K ngisebenzisini. Okay, it's fine. Uzoyibuyisa imali yami musa. It's okay. Hi. 2 days later, ndifumana text yakhe ukuthi akana mali epetrol. Cela ngimboleke imali, uzongibhadala siyonke nge-15, akana mali epetrol. Cela ngimsendele 1,000 rand. You understand? Namsendele ubhuti 1,000 rand. Uthatha ngepetrol. Understand? Thenga ipetrol, amsendele 1,000 rand. Xa isemsebenzini ke siyavideo callana after yonke lento yenzekileyo benvideo calla sikhulume but ebengazani video call emayisendleni or andifonela ebengaze, it never happened. You understand? So I moved from Midrand ngeza la eGermiston. Mangila eGermiston mangisemsebenzini kanti neGordons futhi ngiyayithanda iGordons, zaneGordons endlini. Athi ucela ndimphathele leGordons esendlini because masikhuluma ku video call ubuzowenzani lapho nje ngiphuza iGordons athi ayicela ungiphathele yona ngizoza lapho kwemsebenzini ngomile mangishayisa ngizoza ngomile. Understand? Ndithi mina okay fine ngizokuphathela angayikhohlwa ukuyiphatha mangemsebenzini. Hayi mangishayisa vele it was Saturday ngangishayisa early ngishayisa u2 afike vele athi iGordons ithi yo ngikhohliwe singaya endlini siyoyithenga siyoyithatha endlini singaya endlini siyoyithatha at how many minutes from Captain Park to endlini. I think it's plus or 40 minutes, yeah, plus minus 40 minutes. Athi yo andina petrol, athakana petrol. Okay fine man, vele ndikuthengele yakho ndimnike 200. Xa ndigqiba kumthengela leGordons athi hayi fine ndizokubuyisela endlini like nandizibuza bayibo lo muntu bethekana ipetrol manje sekwazi ukumbuzela endlini after ndimthengele iGordons. Ndamthengela iGordons one sendlini one drop endlini. Kwenzakala okwenzekileyo sendila kwenzakala okwenzeka sewumuntu wami angisho ngoba so
wakuphinda futhi
waniphinda uyabona umphinda kwesingaphi ngoku iGordons uphinde uyaniphinda futhi. It's fine. So njengoba sivideo callana ube khona ngalelanga futhi leGordons yambuza ba uphi athi usendlini after sikule endlini athi usendlini sebusuku around 8 athi usendlini anfotela uba ayisendiphuza leGordons ngihlabe ngevideo call. Njengoba nimhlabe ngevideo call angayibambi phone ngene text ithi please don't call me, my wife is around.
Sure.
My wife is around, don't call me. Lo muntu zangangitshela ukuthi she is married. Angangitshela ukuthi he is married, he has kids. No, nothing. Ngafind out ngaleso sikhathi leso ngimenzela i-video call ukuthi he is married.
Sure.
Do not call me, my wife is around.
You got scammed.
I got scammed. Like, how? Are you married? Yes, I'm married and I have kids.
Did he explain further though?
No.
So what did you do?
Because nothing. Ngaphuma kuyiphela ngamtshela ukuthi okay fine ngicela imali yami because you owe me 4,000 rand, so I need my money. I haven't got my money till today. Angayitholi.
So ever since that day you tried to video call him, he has never came back. How did you
I
feel?
stopped calling him because kaloku ndathi manje mfanele wathi yena uwife wakho around, so lo muntu basically ushadile. Basically lo muntu lo uchatile. Njengoba eshadile, I think lento le into ayenzayo, I don't think I'm the first one ukuyenza lento le. Or maybe indlela aphuza ngayo ukuthi adlamanye amantombazana so. But he is married. Why?
It's so disappointing, man.
Very.
Because what you're saying is that you're probably sure that he's not doing it. He didn't do it to you alone.
Because mangishare lento le TikTok because TikTok I mentioned ukuthi anepolo ipolo yakhe blue, ipolo nepolo blue. So mangishare ukuthi imoto yakhe inepolo blue, ubhuti nje umuhle, like baningi abantu, like amaningi ama victims. Yeah.
Jeez, man.
So my inbox is booming vele ukuthi hayi siyamazi lo muntu loyo. You understand?
He did this
So
to me.
indlela aphila ngayo. I'm scared because he is married.
So wait, there are women that came out and said,
Yes.
this guy did the same thing to me.
But uyaziwa vele.
Are you being for real?
Uyaziwa vele ubhuti wasemidrand. Bayamazi vele ukuthi hayi ubhuti wasemidrand lo polo leyo siyayazi. Uyaziwa ubhuti wakhona.
Jeez, man.
Futhi indlela vele enza ngayo. Umbuzo wami umfazi is she aware ukuthi indoda
Is doing this to women.
is she aware na? Uyasebenza yena na because kunema questions amaningi ukuthi uyasebenza o umuntu onamanga uyasebenza na? I don't know.
So do you ever go to his TikTok and see if he's uploading something? Does he still upload?
Anga upload next
So his TikTok is blank.
blank.
No content.
Khona I video enemoto yakhe.
That's it.
Khona I video enemoto yakhe upload next. Mina communicate naye ku WhatsApp but imali yami akayibuyisi.
Till today.
Because noba ngiyamtshela ukuthi wena ngizokutrendisa because I need my money. It's fine nikeze imali yami then ngiphume kuwe because ngizokutrendisa. Mina manje ukutrendisa uzoloza umsebenzi wakho, uzoloza umfazi wakho. Uzoloza umsebenzi, waloza umfazi. Unless ke umfazi uyazi ukuthi indoda yakhe yenza lento le every weekend.
Do you have any evidence against them? Like, did you take pictures, when you guys were together?
Yeah, nginazo pictures sase recharge. I do
So
have
you-
no videos. I do have.
So you only have
Pictures
those.
zakhe I do have.
I mean, like the pictures endlini,
No, not only I don't have
Oh,
sasendlini.
okay. He didn't allow you to take those.
No.
Hey, because if you took those,
Angizidakiwe vele.
yo, plus wena. Mola, uzos-post.
Ayo. And vela one thing about me man I think butywala buyanisha because mase ngidakiwe I don't think manisel I don't think because
Yeah.
zonke izikandalo zami ezenzekayo zenze kanti ngiphuzile. I don't think I have to quit alcohol first then ngizokhupha kahle.
Have you made him trend before?
Sorry?
Have you made him trend before?
No.
Like on uploading, you know how those TikTok videos are. You put somebody's picture here and it's you.
No.
Niyambona lo.
I did not. Ile bengimtshela yona ukuthi I will do this if you don't pay my money. Because I need my money. It's a lot. 4,000. And he knows ngokuthi I'm not working. I need my money. Uyazi ukuthi ngiphila kanjani. So ngazudla imali yomuntu ozizamelayo because
Yeah.
I try ngazizamela bomini.
Mara, I see the money, but guys, 9 rounds is a lot, guys, yo.
It's a lot because yena unyuze ngemali wanginyuza.
Yeah, like,
You understand?
yo.
It's a lot. Very
Bafuna ukwenzani
9
lo muntu lo mara?
9 rounds.
Bafuna
The
ukwenzani?
2 days.
Like,
But it's the 6 rounds ininzi.
yo.
In a space of I think 2 hours. But you don't get tired when yakuluku uphezu kumuntu. You don't get tired. Because surely because mina ngikhumbula only 1 round. Leyokucala. Amanye kushuthi ngisengizidakelwe and ngizikhathalele. Or maybe wayenza ngitiphile. I don't know what happened. Or wayenza sengilele nje ngisidumbu.
But also,
How can you have sex nomuntu ongenzi next ongamuvi? How?
yeah, but also, somebody cannot have sex with you without you being aware.
Imagine.
Because that's literally rape now. Because the only thing that gave you evidence was the condoms on the floor. You picked up 6.
Wechola yini because wavuka wahamba yena. 6 condoms.
So when you woke up, it was not
Ukuthi
there.
mina naxa ngikhupha lapha edrawini ngakhipha ngabona ukuthi ngikhiphe ngapi. You understand? Ngavele ngakhipha nje kuphela ngamnikeza. Sho ukuthi ngathatha 2 packets of condoms. So yena ke wathatha advantage ke wenza lonto leyo just because mina ndikhiphe 2.
Maybe ukubonile.
I never did 6 rounds ebomini bami. I never, no, I'm not lying. I never.
So you
If
only
you know
took out
what
2.
wenza kamnandi kanana azange 6 rounds. Never.
Jeez, man. So you
Lord.
only took out 2, so he went back and took out the rest.
No, ngithi mina man khipha la petrol ngisho ukuthi ngakhipha amapakethe ayi2 or angibonanga ukuthi ngithatha amapakethe ayi2 ngamnikeza cause amapakethe wakhona was closed yabo so wawavula in 2 packets and then mase ngivuka ekseni because wavuka wathi uyahamba. You understand? So igate lapha engihlala khona ivola i-remote ngamvulela igate bawuthi avule akhuphe imoto ngavala. So mase ngivuka like what was happening here 6. You understand?
Man, that was a lot, man. That's crazy.
That was a lot. And zange ngimbuze nokumbuza ukuthi bra how can you do this? You understand? Zange. Or maybe ngasho ngithi okay fine mangambuza or maybe ngavuma. Maybe ngavuma ngathi masenze it's okay.
But also you're drunk, so
I was drunk.
you know.
Imagine mina ngiqale ukuphuza engekaphuzi. You understand? Ngiphuza ibhodlela legodins ngi1. And ngabe sengiphuze isavana before. You understand? By igodins ayihlangana nesavana. You understand? So vele ezendlini nje ngangisengidakwe vele because ngiphuza ibhodlela legodins ngi1 and they said maybe sele ku half ngeleso sikhathi leso. Ngi1 ngizidakwele. Nabandandi live nabo bangasho vele ukuthi hayi waseyidakiwe vele angisengizikhulumela nje. Understand? Ngaba live waze wafika nge-live nalaba be-live because bathi sumlendoza sum-enda lo live lo wathi afike. You understand? And sasizijokela ke vithi okay andizum-enda lo live azafika vele wafika. I didn't end the live. Afika that hayi ufikile ke nanku bambona vele nabo ukuthi nanku ufikile.
He appeared on your life.
Yes.
But
That's when I
crazy,
ended the live ke ngoku after sekefikile.
Yeah. But that's crazy though. You still have that video.
Video ka live.
Yeah. Or
I'm
maybe
not
it's-
sure. Uyazigcina TikTok i-video ka live. If uyayigcina ikhona.
Do you still yeah?
Because nawo bangibuza vele ukuthi uphi ubani balo bengibuza laba ngangi-live na uphi bani nagcina till this date basangibuza ukuthi uphi uphi.
Yeah.
And I miss them angibaphenduli.
When did this happen?
Baphenduli because I don't think November. I don't
Last
think
year.
bawabona ama-video.
Last year.
Last
2023.
year. November.
Jeez, man. Sure. So all this happened in a period of just the weekend, Jay. or
Weekend. Just a weekend. Lento le yenzeka ngeviki nje because uniqedele kulonyaka manje ngimthekele igodini ezaphendleni bese cause I moved ukuza apha eGermiston in January this year. Besa communicate ngoku. Esangibalela izitori ngemali yami. Uthi uzongibhatala, you understand? So umuntu wami ngeke ize ngimfakele ipressure ngizoshare communicate. So ngiyazi ukuthi uzongibhatala. You understand? So ngaphinde ngamthengela futhi mara sangikolota ngaphinde ngamthengela amayizela endlini. Ngamthengela igodins. One drop wahamba ukuze angitshele ngokuthi ushadile. You understand? Or maybe indlela wayeseyifuna ukunibonisa ngayo ukuthi bra look I'm married mina. Leave me alone. Maybe.
Do you still go live while you're
I
drinking?
do every day.
If that would happen again, would you allow it?
Angeke. Angisafuna ukandoda. I hate men, bro.
Why though?
I hate men, bro. Oh no.
Because
I've
of
been
that,
used,
though?
man. Yes.
Oh, there's more.
It's trauma, yeah.
Yeah.
There's more. It's trauma. Like I'm not usually like. I think I'm nice when it comes to men. I think so because I give.
Uyabheja.
Ngiyabheja indoda ngiyabheja mina.
Uyayithengela impahla, ama-sneaker.
Ngiyabheja mina indoda.
Uyithengela
Because I don't
utshwala.
mind ukudate nawe ungasebenzi. You understand? Uzosebenza ngendlela. You
What kind of a
understand?
woman are you?
Yo.
Nigo,
So
pick
uzosebenza ngendlela. I don't mind uthola nawe ungasebenzi
What kind of a woman
because
are you?
nomunye bengitshela naye engasebenzi bengimfakela imali like ukusuka kwakho kuzendlini it was only 26 rand. It was only 26 rand. But mina I had to uba nimfakela imali eze kuma endlini. 26 rand indoda mina ndiyifakela 26 rand ukuthi izonibona mina. You understand? And into endirong ngayo lo nto uba I think it's been 7 years ngoku. I don't visit indlu yendoda. It's been 7 years. Men always come to my house, understand? So every time mayize endlini benimfakela imali ebedinga even 26 rand. 26 rand ukuze endlini. Kumele nimfakele nimenzele cash send 100 rand yokuza naxa iphinda endlini yakhe ndimfake 26 rand yokudla. Ndiyamphekela. Bengisebenza ngasebenza ngivuke ngemsebenzini but kumele ngibuye ngipheke ngibuye ngiclean. Ebehlula even ukwendlula umbhede indoda ehlula ukwendlula umbhede ebengondlula even umbhede. If ngifuna endlula umbhede bengithi mangisuka ebhedini naye asuka athi endlula kuqala then alale ngaphezulu. Ngimshiye ngihambe ngemsebenzini. Because my endlini bekahlala maybe a week. Bebengahlala 2 days or 3 days a week. Naye benimthengele igodeni sasale ephuza mangisemsebenzini. You understand? Ndimphekele bengapheki kakhulu ke but bengipheka nje maybe 2 days a week but ngithenga ama take away adle. And ubhuti ebengakudla ukudla ongena drink. Understand? Na into esixabanisayo ukuthi bengakutya ukutya ongena drink. If akho drink akudla. So my question is njengoba ungasebenzi idrink ithatha phi kwakho? Because awusebenzi or wayithatha mni advantage. So bendiyithenga lo drink leyo. Into eyasixabanisa intoba wayithi uyahamba uyangase Shoprite. So ndinika isikhathi lami ndithi okay fine. Cela nje ubuya ngase Shoprite because drink phelile. Cela uphathe drink. Cela uswipe drink. Then swipe drink into engezine cashback ningathi ndithi no andiyidingi imali nayo imali kamsebenzini swipe drink kuphela. Athi yena angeke umiline Shoprite amile nje drink. It's okay, it's fine. Swipe card lam ke. Swipe card lam. It's fine because andidingi imali. Wahamba wabuya. Mase ndimphakela lethi ndiyamuza uba ndikuphakela athi angicela mandiphakele if drink ayikho. Okay, thana imali lambo thenga i-drink emakuleni zosela akayiseli drink asemakuleni. Ngayiseli drink asemakuleni ndithi ufunani? Okay ke ngicela uvuke uhambe kwami. Vuka uhambe ke kwami because wena ukutya drink mina ndiyakwazi ukutyanisela amanzi. Noba nayo imali e-drink ndiyakwazi ukutyanisela amanzi. Because imali le ndisebenzela nzima wena usebenzi. Mele wamkele lo nto inikwayo. You understand? Makavuka ekseni wavuka ekseni ndavuka ekseni ndayimsebenzi ndamshiya endlini ndathi ndibuye ungekho. Because yasilwisa lo ndathi undibuye ungekho ke bhuti xa ndibuye emsebenzini. Andangamnikezi nemali yokuhamba ufuze uhamba ngantoni angena ndawo. Anwatsaphela athi imali yokuhamba ibolekile. Ndithi okay, it's fine. Uyibolekile mos mayibolekile ayiboleka ngamna. Angena ndawo mina. Angisho ibolekile so angena ndawo ebendazi futhi uba ndihola nini. So kwafika i-pay date yami wathi ngicela ungayilibali la mali endandiyibolekile ndigoduka ngayo. Yabuzwa oboleke malini tona niboleke 300 rand. Ndithi no bright 26 rand uye kwakho. I300 rand uyibolekela bani? Ngizoyithini 300 rand because 26 rand uye endlini. Wena xa ubuleke 300 ungasebenzi ukuthi uzoyibhatala ngantoni? Ukuthi uzoyibhatala ngantoni 300 kodwa awuphangeli. Ndaba sixabana kanjalo ndambloka because ndiyabona ukuthi ndiyayuza musapha. So mna I hate men. I hate men.
But I don't think you should hate men. I feel like you've been bumping into the wrong man. There's nothing wrong with you being sweet and being caring, right? But I just feel like sometimes you were doing it too much.
Is
Right.
it?
I wouldn't feel okay if you are the one who's doing that to me. Like it makes me feel some type of way as a man. I want to take care of the big things, you know.
Yeah.
I'm paying for the house, I'm paying for the insurance, for the medical aid, and even when we go out, I'm the one who's paying. If you are
Yes.
the one who's paying, it just makes me feel some type of way. But women like you in this country, they are very rare.
Sikhona, but yo, manje, ish. That's why I hate men, or I'm scared of men. I don't hate them, or I'm scared of men. I'm scared ukuthi ngizohlangana nomunye futhi ozokwenza same thing. You understand? Because ma uza kimi uza with good intentions yabo, so ngiyakulalela ukuthi uqambe lo mango waqambayo, you understand? So ngibe sweet kuwe, you understand? Because ngizokugifta ngokungifta. Ngiyakwazi ukukupha imali mara wena ungipha imali. You understand? Uniboleka imali epetrol ndikunikeze. You understand? So mase ngifuna uzongitshela izitori. Umuntu wami, so I will let it slide yabo.
We
Yeah,
are blessed,
that's
yes. We are blessed.
But no more. Oh, not again. Not again. Now I'm careful like
Yeah.
That's why I hate men. I hate men.
Ah,
man.
man,
I
don't hate men. Just it's okay for you not to like the men that you've dated and they played you, but there's proper guys out there.
I don't think so.
For real.
I
There's,
don't
there's
think
proper
so.
guys.
Madoda manje.
I'm telling you, well, I know, I understand you when you're saying amadoda manje,
Yes.
but I would say that I think for now, never ever do too much for a man. Let him be the one who's doing too much. I'm not saying don't be caring. Like you can be caring, do this for him, do that, but don't be too much, right?
Yes.
The thing is that about men is that the moment when you do too much for them, it seems as if you are their puppet, like Lo Yang Funa. Even if I do mistakes or whatever, she will still
Yes.
bow down to me. No, it mustn't happen like that. It mustn't happen like that. That's when they're going to take advantage of you. Like they pay attention to small things. It's like you guys. You guys pay attention to small things.
Yes.
That sometimes our words, when we say we love you, it's not enough. We need to show you with the small things. Even men, they pay attention to those small things. So if you come and you buy this, you do this, you do this, you do that, you're doing too much, they end up taking advantage of you.
Yeah, because as ukuthi or I'm desperate or I don't know. What about desperate or
I wanted
what?
to ask you that, like-
I don't know. Maybe I'm desperate.
For love.
I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know because good incident enzeka le yalomfana lo Paul.
Yeah, okay.
I think being 8 months ingenzi sex. Yeah, I was 8 or 9 months ingenzi sex. You understand? So I think zake ngikwazi ukuthi no kwi stranger ukuthi senze sex. Or I'm desperate ngifuna sex vele because it's been a long time ndingayenzi. You understand?
Yeah.
So I said yes. Kahle kahle mna ndakhupha 4,000 yami ndawuthenga umfana. Kahle kahle ngathenga umfana wa TikTok. Ngamthenga for a weekend. Ngamthengela utywala.
Experience.
It's like kahle kahle mase ngihlanganisa no man. Kahle kahle mina ndikiwe. I think ukuba desperate. I don't think ukuba desperate. Angicabanga kahle. I don't know. Or maybe desperate kuba or maybe I don't know man. I don't know. Or kuba ngekho kwi stable relationship so I'm desperate to have one. I don't know.
Maybe it was the desire to, you know, because you mentioned that you were not touched for 8 months. Maybe you just wanted that, you know, hand of a man to touch you, you know, to give you goosebumps just a bit, you know, to make you feel some certain way, you know. Maybe that's why. I don't think you are desperate, but I think it's because of you were
So
a little bit, you know.
ish.
Yeah, but please don't hate men.
Oh, I
There's
hate
good
men,
men out there.
Maybe after saying helile
There's good men.
ish.
So are you seeing somebody now?
Nah, I'm good.
How long
Okay.
has it been? Months.
Since
4 months since last year, November. Yeah, but I wouldn't call the November thing a relationship.
It was not.
That one was a
Yeah.
two-night stand, you know. I would call it.
Kahle kahle, yeah, because ugcina kwamba relationship I think it was 6 years back.
Sure.
I think so. It was 6 years back. Angisumuntu wama relationship, honestly speaking.
Yeah.
Because once double relationship, I think needs umsebenzi with relationship.
Yeah.
Ning. So I'm busy for ukuthi ndibe ku relationship. Kumele ngisho good morning, good night. You understand as
Yeah.
So like no, I'm too busy for that.
So would you want to be in a relationship or in a situationship?
No, I just wanna have sex pale. Or ngibe sex partner kuphela.
That's it.
That's it.
Are you not scared though? Phela hey abantu bayagula.
Condoms. Kuyagula vele, I
You
do
can't
condom
trust
anytime.
people. You can't though.
Is
Somebody,
it?
a man can come and, yeah, you saw him wearing a condom and then they can take it out. Because at that moment, your blood is flowing like nobody's business. It's flowing 100 kilometers per hour. You're not even feeling anything. You just want the man to be inside of you. Whether there's a condom or there's no condom, you won't even...
And very because hey, mina ngivele ngacishe ngagula nje because I remember ngathi bana lo mfana le etywaleni vele naye ngahlangana naye etywaleni vele ngisiphuzele. It was a Friday ngihlangana naye wathi ucela ukuhamba nami siyolala kwakhe, understand? And I said no. Ngizobona kusasa. For now nginomngane wami ongivakashela. Ngisho nje ngathi ukuthi nginomngane wami ongivakashela. So not today, maybe kusasa singahambe siyophuza sonke. So ugaye wangithela etshwaleni wathenga abuyele endlini nomngane wami. Umngane wami wangivakashela because bekahlalisana yena so wayevakashe kwami. So second day ngitext umngane wami futhi ukuthi okay fine masiphinde la bese siyophuza khona izolo kunomunye ugaye ngihlangana naye izolo. So uthe ufuna ukungibona na today. You understand? So sifike lapha ya ugaye athenge utywala again athenge utywala athenge nokudla. Athenge ukudla sidle around 2 athi athenge into nesoyike endlini. Understand? I didn't say ukuthi sizohamba siye endlini. So abuze kanjalo. That okay, it's obvious ndiyama nayo, you understand? Fine, ndihamba nayo guy. Kwaba njalo we used a condom, sebenza condom, fine. So okay lo number satsho lawo ma 6 months. Masijola kule 6 months leya okay fine sesiyakhuluma vele okay so unentombi sesifuna ukuyithatha kuthi fine siyajola ngoku, you understand? Because into yethu nje bekuba umalala vuka ndiyakwami yakwakhe asikade decide ukuthi siyajola nanoba buziba una intombi athana intombi wena ngithi no I don't have a boyfriend vele nami, so it's fine we can date, understand? One night ndikwakhe around 5 ekseni kwakuyiwinter, around 5 ekseni ndivinokhisha emnyango, understand? Mayisho ifo inokho emnyango angaphakami nami ndizithulele nje because I don't know what's happening, angaphakami. So mayisho inokho California yakhe my promise phone yakhe athi ndiyeza babes, I'm here ngila ingubeni athi ndiyeza babes. That's when I realized uba okay fine yashuba manje yabona manje yashuba ndiyeza babes avuka agqoke ishoti agqoke iskipa ngiphansi kwengubo ngize ngigqumile futhi because angifuni ukubonwa ke manje abona nje masekuso angifuni nokubonwa. So ugaye makavula avula umnyango avula ibhakla so qeba atsibele ngaphandle avale akhawulezisa avale ibhakla yebo ashiya umnyango uvuliwe ibhakla marivaliwe so usisi lo akazikwazi ukungena ngaphakathi and ibed yakhona it's not far from emnyango, understand? So ngibeza ukuthi bayaxabana hayi bayaxabana ay imizwa usisi ethi mina ngikubekezelile lapha ngikwazi ukuthi HIV positive ngalala nawe ngakuzalela nabantwana. Understand?
Yeah.
Ngithi what so ngisho ngiza kulento ukuthi abantu bagula uguy wathi if ngelinye ilanga bezodecide ukuthi akhuphe condom silele, you understand ukuthi ngangizofumana ukugula kanjalo, you understand? So mangimbuza ukuthi then lento lekhona sis because kwade wabusisi uyahamba into yakho nengena na ifamily mina ngaphakathi bayaxoxa indaba yakho ngena na ifamily kwakunayo nefamily wade wabusisi uyahamba ke ngoku angimbuza ukuthi ubuzongitshelana ukuthi HIV positive wathi if condom yaqhaphuka wena ngitshelanga ukuthi HIV positive bekuzokwenzakalani. hayi beke sazongitshela mase kuhamba isikhathi. You understand?
Yeah.
Uthi wawungitshela ngosekucaleni. You understand? Because 6 months iningi vele sisebenza condom. What if or after 3 months uthi masingasebenza condom yaqaphela ukuthi benzovuma ukuthi it's fine. Masingayisebenzisi. That's why besisebenzisa abantu ukuprotecta wara you understand into ezinjani.
But you never saw him again.
No. Right, because wangcolela fundi wangcolela. Kukungcolela mos because suppose ucho and then I decide ukuthi do I sleep with you or not. Because I'm a condom aqaphuka basho kanjalo I don't know zange aqaphuka but basho bathi yaqaphuka. What if it decided to basta ke ngoku sise
niyalwa man ningalwe man.
Jali ukhona lisayo fondini ngalo ngeke sisoloko slowly kuphela kuba urafnyana kwakhona sometimes. Erafnyana iyadingeka sometimes. Erafu iyadingeka sometimes kuthi asishaya urafnyana. You understand?
Yeah. Kube busy.
Kube busy.
Yeah.
Masiphuzile vele kuyaduma makuphuzile.
Eish. No,
Yebo.
man, you just need to be very careful, man. Like, yeah, I hope, you know, your decision will make sure that you are safe, you know. You don't want to end up in, you know, that situation, you know. But I'm pretty sure that you'll probably find somebody who's good.
I still believe, but not now. Maybe 5 years later. I think so.
How old are you?
Because I'm young, man. I'm 25. Imagine.
25 years, 8.
Yeah. Maybe 5 years later.
Avela, thank you so much for coming. I really appreciate your story.